Hey, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the channel again. And today I am here from the College of Food Science and Technology, Huazhong Agricultural University, Wuhan, China. So today I'm going to tell you about the admissions opened in Huazhong Agricultural University, in which you can apply for the fully funded Chinese government scholarship in China. So basically, we'll start the introduction of Huazhong Agricultural University, and then we'll go through the scholarships offered in this university, and then we'll tell you how to apply in this university. So initially, when we start with the admission introduction, first of all, you'll have to find your course, your subject in which you want to apply in this university, and then you'll have to find out that if your course is being offered in this university, then you need to find the supervisor. You have to get acceptance letter, and this will increase your chance of admission and chance of getting fully funded CSC scholarship in China in Huazhong Agricultural University. So if you're interested, let's begin that the admission for the 2026 September intake are already opened in this university. Not only in this university, but also in many other universities in China. So this is your chance to just apply, and simply you'll have to search out your major and apply for the acceptance letter to the professors by emailing them. And still, if you don't get the acceptance letter, you can still apply without acceptance letter. Moving towards the application process, you have to have the list of documents prepared before applying. The list includes, first of all, you need to have your CV, and then you need to have your passport, of course, for passport to apply for the on the application portals, and then you'll need your highest degrees, diplomas, transcripts, and then comes the physical examination form, which is already available on the websites of the universities, almost all Chinese universities websites. The same is for the Huazhong Agricultural University website. And then later you need the non-criminal record certificate, which is also known as the police character certificate. So you need to have that already before applying. And then after this, you need to have 2 recommendation letters from your previous institute where you completed your last degree. So these are the basic documents, but also if you have the acceptance letter, this would be very great. Out of these, we only have another one document, which is a study plan. If you are applying for the masters, you have the study plan. You must have to write the study plan up, submit on the portals. And if you are applying for the PhD doctoral studies, so you also have you need to have the study plan as well as the research proposal as well. So the study plan template for the 2026 admissions, the university have uploaded the template on its website, so you can download from there and write your own study plan and a research proposal. So this is the list of documents you need to have before application process. So now let's get into the benefits of the scholarships and the types of scholarships offered by the Huazhong Agricultural University, China. Huazhong Agricultural University, China offering 2 type of main scholarship. First is the CSC Chinese Government Scholarship, in which the Belt and Road Scholarship is also included. And next is the University Scholarship. So if you are applying for the masters, you will get the full tuition fee waiver and also the stipend of 3,000 RMB per month. And then you'll have the accommodation free of cost in this university. And of course, you'll have a lot more benefits when if you are applying for the PhD or doctoral studies. You will get 3,500 RMBs per month as a stipend, and then the rest of the benefits are the same. So it is recommended to apply for the CSC scholarship, and then you can have the chance of getting CSC, and if not, then you may have the chance of getting university scholarship. So if we talk about the deadlines of this application process and the process how to apply on the portals of the CSC and the university scholarship university portal. So the deadline for the application of 2026 September intake is 27 February 2026. This almost one month and a few days are left. And the process of application, you need to apply for, first, if you are applying for the CSC scholarship, you need to have apply on the CSC portal, Chinese government scholarship, and then you'll have to download the application form of the CSC and then upload this on the university portal. So first you'll have to apply on the CSC portal and then university portal. And don't miss this chance. Quickly apply. And if you have any queries about this scholarship, this university, or any other scholarship or documents preparation, you can simply comment below, and don't forget to share this video with the other students who are in need and who are looking for the CSC scholarship and the fully free scholarship for 2026 in China. So this is your chance to apply and get benefit. Thank you so much.